Hi friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. Well, today is day 99, and in collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I created this fun Peekaboo Postcard pocket. Now, I want to tell you before you get started on this, when you choose the postcard that you'd like to use, choose also what you want to peek at once you put your acetate in. And I tell you that because I've got these two vintage owl playing cards in here, and if I knew that that was what I was going to do, if I had planned it out, then I would have cut this part of this hot air balloon off so that we could see more of his face. Or maybe I wouldn't have put this on here at all. And you'll see as I'm doing the process, you'll see when that took place and all that. So just think about what you want to see through your window before you kind of embellish it and stuff. Okay, my friends? Well, if you would like the instructions to the pockets, you can grab Cindy's booklet. The link is in my description box, and it's in her Ko-Fi shop. Today, my friends, you're going to need a postcard, some acetate. Where's mine? I just had it. Here it is. Some acetate or vellum, and also some glue or tape and some scraps or stickers. And the first thing we're going to do is cut a window in our postcard. So what I'm going to do is line this up on my mat, okay? And then I think I'll cut my window an inch, maybe a half an inch in. There's some glue there. Maybe half an inch in from the tops. Maybe more on the sides, we'll see. Actually, I should draw it. I should draw it on here so that I don't mess it up. So that's what we'll do. We're going to go a half an inch on the top. I'm going to draw a line there so I can have a look at it before I do anything. And actually, if we go half an inch, I think I'm going to go 3/4 inch on the sides. So I'm going to draw this to here. And then we're going to come over here on this side and do the same thing. And I'm coming in 3/4. I think that's right there. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, right there. Okay. I gotta measure this. I can't see what I'm doing up there. Okay, that's a half. Okay, so I better do a half on this end as well. All right. Okay. Now I can pretty much see what I'm doing, and so now I can go ahead and cut it, right? So now I'm putting my ruler back where it was, and I am going to grab my razor tool, and I'm going to cut You might need to snip a corner here or there. There we go. Okay, so that's what was inside, and we are moving that along. We are going to add our acetate now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use double stick tape. I think that works really well when you're using acetate. Before I glue that down, I am going to cut this air balloon here. I think I might glue this onto the outside like that. I was wondering if I was going to put it on the inside. Oh, I could. That kind of looks neat. If I did it right there. Okay, I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to add some more tape. Okay, now let's grab our acetate. Here it is. Put that down. And I'm going to put this down on it. Oops, okay. So there's that. Now let's go ahead and grab a board. And what I meant to say was a backing page. So if we pretend, and actually I can end up gluing this into a journal, which is great. We are going to put, I'm going to do tape again on this because this is acetate. So I'm going to do the sides, but not the top, because that'll be our pocket. Okay, let's find something to stuff in there. Look at these 2 vintage owl cards I have. How fun are they? So let's go ahead and stuff those in there. I think that's so cute. Look, aren't they cute? I mean, this one's blocked a little bit, but he looks adorable. Well, that's it, my friends. This was day 99, and this is the Peekaboo Postcard Pocket. You could do a lot of stuff with something like this. This is such a clever and fun idea, my friends. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. It was a good experiment. I would probably decide what was going in the pocket first next time, because if I knew I was going to use these, I might have shaped these balloons different because this one's blocking. I wonder if I can, it's on top, I wonder if I can cut it off. Anyway, let's not get into all that. But yeah, think about what you're going to put in your window here so that whatever you're going to decorate with on the outside works for you. All right, my friends, please check out Cindy's channel today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.